all these according to you? For some, they are just a dust collector. For some, they are junk and clutters. Let me tell you one thing. For me, they are nothing like that. All these are called accessories, and these are the most important thing in the house. Accessory is what makes your house warm, colored, textured, adds feelings and adds a personal touch to your house. Accessories reflects your personality in your house. Tell me one thing. When is the last time when someone came to your house and said wow? Don't you remember? So today in this episode I will tell you how to make your house a wow house with the help of accessories. Hi everyone, this is architect Sarika Kulkarni from SK Design Studio. We specialize in residential and commercial interior and we are located in Hiranandani Estate, Thane West. A lot of people tell me they get confused while going to purchase accessories. Either they do not know what goes together, either it is too small or it is too big. Today I will tell you some of the principle of accessories. I am going to show you some tips with the help of some simple techniques. So pick up 5 things from your kitchen. Any 5 things like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I know this is a 6th one, but this is a dummy one. So we will use this as a base or something like that. If we keep all these accessories in line like this, do you think it is going to look good? No. So there is a rule in placing accessories. For me at least, one thing what I do is I keep my accessories in odd numbers like 1, 3, 5 and 7, 9 and so on. So here, like if I have these 5, what I will do is you should keep the bigger one, the tallest one in the back like this, and then gradually you decrease the sizes. The placement should be gradual. So you have these 2 smaller here and the smallest here like this. Now there should be a constant decrease in the height. So like if these 2 are same, what I will do is I will give a base to this. So there is a little bit of height difference. How is this looking? So now to bind all these together, what if I add a piece, a decorative piece like this here below this? See the difference. So how is this looking? Is it looking good? Let's see how we can apply the same principle by using the accessories here for this particular TV unit. Let's get started. So this is the TV unit without any accessories. Let's see how it looks after we put some beautiful accessories on this. I have arranged my accessories here. So if you see this arrangement, this is a bright blue vase and I have selected this color from one of the painting, a bright painting I have in my house. If you have all the other colors in neutral color palette, you can add, and if you want to add some pop-up color in your room or in your living room, then what you can do is you can add these color with the help of accessories like this. So here as I told you in the key principle, the biggest vase I have kept it in the back and gradually it is going down like this. So this is a nice candle lamp and with this golden tint here, it is looking more elegant and rich. So this is how this has come up. Now to connect all these together, I have put a mat, a golden mat here below this. So in the center I have kept this white beautiful piece here, and on this side this is Buddha One of my dear friend has gifted me this, so I have kept this Buddha, a rustic Buddha. Again here to bind all this together, this Buddha has this rustic golden tint on this, so it is all going together. And I like to add some greenery in my interior and in my accessories. So this is a white contemporary piece with the artificial plant. I have kept it here, and again this is a piece of 3, and to bind all these together, again I have put a golden mat here. If you don't want so much of accessories, you feel that it's all clutter, then what you can do is you can put it 3+1. How it is going to look? Let's check. That's it. So this is a simple 3+1 rule. Now if you want, you have a bigger, suppose a center table or side table, and if you have more space and you want to put 5 pieces together, then what you will do? Let's check. What I have done is I have kept the tallest one in the back, and then gradually height wise all the accessories are arranged here. And to connect all these accessories, I have kept a connector, that is a golden mat here. So as we move around, I have kept a nice artificial plant here in the corner, and then this is the entrance lobby. So to bring the color here, I have kept a very elegant, a single flower vase in the entrance. Second tip is you can put a tray also as a connector to bind all the 3 things or 5 things together. So always remember that your color should flow in the form of accessories everywhere. Like there I have used blue, so like there I have used blue flower vase and blue candle stand with the red bright flowers, and then here I have used the colors in the form of this red candle. Now see, as I explained you, how the plain simple white boring TV unit has changed into bright, colorful, textured and warm TV unit. This is giving a personal touch and reflecting my personality into my home. Now all of us have different sets of accessories which we have collected over the period of time with all different textures, colors and the sizes. If you have understood the principle which I have explained about accessorizing, please do arrange your accessories in the manner which I have explained to you right now, and click a snap of the same and post in the comment box below. Hope you liked my video. If you enjoyed my video and if I made my point clear, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.